Hi, my name is Emily Battaglia. 2018 was kind of a pivotal year for me. I fell into a really deep depression. I was just kind of a hollow person. A good portion of my life I've battled through like eating disorders, anxiety. I really did not like my life. I hadn't completely given up, but I was like pretty much there. There was still a piece of me that like knew I'm meant to be here for a reason, like there's something. I actually met Brett through Bash boxing. I ended up, I think, in his 6:30 Motivated Monday. He came out and he did his Motivated Minute, and I was like, whoa, who is that? All of a sudden, like a light bulb went off. I had never experienced anybody with energy like that. I was on his profile and I saw like he has this in his bio, like 90-day coaching program. I had tried everything on my own, or I thought I had, and I'm like, what do I have to lose? Let's just leap of faith it. When I started, I was really struggling to even eat at all. And so we just had to like recalibrate and like really dig into that. And it was a really long process that he stuck with me through. He was in the trenches with me on that one. Something him and I worked on a lot was like how I define myself. The events or how I reacted them to initially don't define who I am. It's like the overcoming and just kind of like wearing them as a badge of honor. I actually started a brand new career in September. I pretty much rebuilt my whole life. You get nervous, right? And those nerves are your gut saying you're headed in the right direction. Like that's something you need in your life, right? But you know it's gonna be hard, and it is gonna be hard, and it's probably gonna be harder than you think it is. But oh man, is it so much worth it than you could have ever imagined, you know? Man, these kids. Sorry, it's happy tears. It's like, it's really never too late, you know? There's never a wrong time to start. Just take one step in the right direction and you'll be surprised where momentum can take you.